Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Maps Live Traffic in 2026. So if you want to avoid traffic jams, save travel time, or pick the fastest route, yeah, this feature is really important. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Make sure you have an internet connection so live traffic can update in real time. Now tap the layers icon on the right side of the screen, then select Traffic to turn on live traffic view. Once enabled, you'll see color-coded roads. Green means smooth traffic, orange means moderate traffic, and red means heavy congestion. Next, type your destination and tap Directions. Google Maps will automatically show how traffic affects your route. Now check the alternative routes. Sometimes a slightly longer road is actually faster because it avoids traffic. Tap Start to begin navigation. Google Maps will continuously update your route based on live traffic conditions. If there's an accident, roadblock, or slowdown ahead, Google Maps will alert you and suggest a faster reroute. And for best results, keep GPS and mobile data on at all times so traffic updates stay accurate. So yeah, that's how to use Google Maps Live Traffic in 2026. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.